Hello everyone, this is Devasish Misra. Today we will discuss Ohm's law for resistance in series virtual lab. So just search Ohm's law virtual lab, Ohm's law virtual lab IIT Kharagpur. Just click on this, then simulation. Here you can see Ohm's law for resistance in series. Just click here. Here you can see clearly two resistances are connected in series. So your R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 and your current will be same but voltage will be different. Got my point? So see the instruction first. Set the DC voltage 0 to 30. Here resistance are kept in series, so set the resistance R1 1 to 100 and set the resistance value R2 5 to 15 kilo. So first resistance 1, you just change it. Suppose I change to, suppose it is 10. Okay. Resistance 2, you change it to 5. DC voltage, suppose it is 30. Okay. So now R2 table, simply you get resistance 10, 5, R equivalent is 15, then voltage is 30, then you will find current I. So plot now, you can see here, this is the point. So you will take 2 to 3 readings. Now I will change, it is to suppose 25. Now add to table, now plot. Clear students? Now I'll change it to suppose 20. 20. Okay. Add to table, then plot 3 points. Then I took 10. Suppose 10. Okay. Add to table, then plot. Clear students? 4 points I got. Then I change it to 5. Add to table, then plot. Clear? Then if I will change it to 0, then add to table, then current is also 0. So plot. Now you can see the graph, straight line, it is starting from 0. Okay. Clear students? If any doubt, you will comment me in the comment box. So this is the Ohm's law, resistance, two resistance in series. Now we will see Ohm's law for resistance in series, how to draw the circuit. This is the circuit. Read the instruction carefully. First L1 to L3. This is L1 to L3. L3 to L7. L3 to L7. L4 to L10. L4 to L10. L4 to L10. L8 to L11. L8 to L11. Voltmeter connected parallel. Then L5 to L11. L5 to L11. L6 to L9, L6 to L9, L9 to L12, L9 to L12. Now according to the instruction, click on check connection button whether it is correct or not. Check connection, right connection. So okay. Now the same procedure, change the resistance value. Suppose I change it to 10. I change it to 5. I change it to 30. Then add to table, got the value. Then plot. Okay. Then change it to suppose 20. 20. Add table, plot. Clear, students? Now you just make it to 10. 10. Add table, plot. Okay. Now make it suppose 5. 5. Add table, plot. Clear, students? Now make it 0. Add table. Now current is 0. Plot 0. It is starting from 0. Straight line. Okay. Clear? This is Ohm's law series. By drawing the circuit, voltmeter always connected in parallel, ammeter always connected in series. So if any doubt, you just write in the comment box. I will make you understand. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.